Tom, I'm excited that we're talking about this because the newest trend in fitness is more of a wellness concept. That the big box gyms, a lot of them are going that way. So that's why we try to incorporate all kind of important classes on FitFix now.
Connection, key to improving body image with connection. Jane, 79% of young girls, 85% women say they're not showing up. And it's a shame-based world that we live in. And it's so negative. And that's why we have these limiting beliefs, as we were talking about earlier in the show, with the growth mindset. It's like, that's because we're bombarded with this all the time. So let's talk about this, because there's just a lot to it. Shame, connection, identifying stories, the value of co-regulation, connecting with surroundings, mental health benefits. Pick one, pick them all, wherever.
Well, I kind of like to give an overview of, you know, many people, not only women, men also struggle with body image. And Tom, I was very vulnerable because Casey, when she would do a section of the course, she would talk to me. She said, do you want to give an example of a client that struggled with body image, or do you want to talk about yourself? And I said, Casey, I really want to talk about myself because I was a ballet dancer, and we would, way back in the day, we'd walk in class and have to step on a scale before we went to the bar to start class. And I had a male ballet teacher, and he would tell us in front of everybody if we needed to lose weight. So set up for tons of eating disorders, but I still struggle with body image.
How old were you, Jane? Excuse me, but how old were you when that was happening? I'm trying to paint a picture.
Well, I was in a dance company, and I was like 18, 17, 18, 19,
Okay,
late teens.
My point being is that happened to Jane when she was a teenager. And to this day, she still carries that vulnerability in her mind. That's how impactful some of these memories are. And this is where you have to really focus on thinking about all of these aspects, because if you have this negative self-talk, if it's drilled into your head, that's all you know. That's all you know. And so
exactly.
And that's how your behavior will revolve around it. You will find yourself in bad relationships. You will find in all kinds of strange situations. Just unbelievable stuff.
And
Jane Kurth is just awesomeness. I mean, awesomeness. Nicest people you ever want to meet. Her and Chris are a great team. And FitFix Now is the real deal. I mean, the classes that they offer are tremendous. Some of them are shorter. They're easier. They're not expensive at all. And believe me, I've taken lots and lots of these courses. So there you go. Okay. Until next time, everybody, remember, please subscribe, like, do all those good things. Tell your friends about us, because we're trying to grow this bad boy, and it's working. It's working. Thanks to all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in, watching, and doing all those good things. I'm Papa Tom, host of this radio program. Peace out. Love you.